What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be creating this cute custom press on set. This is one of my favorite nail sets to create. First, I'd like to apologize for the shaking of my camera. I was trying out a new tripod. I'm also a fairly new YouTuber, so y'all, it's a process, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying not to be frustrated, and I'm trying not to get frustrated, so I'm still bringing you guys the content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It really is one of my favorite sets of nails to create. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I also applied the base and buffed the nails and everything like that before the video, but if that is something that you would be interested in seeing the steps of how you prep the nails before you actually make them or start painting on them, just leave me a comment below and I definitely will create a video showing you guys the breakdown of how I do that. But in the meantime, I hope that you guys enjoy this content. I slowed down the first clip. Well, not necessarily slowed it down, but I made this first clip in real time just to show you guys how I actually create the cow print. I'm also taking you guys all the way from start to finish on how I create a set all the way up into packaging them. So let me know if you guys like the video, like this video, and leave me some feedback in the comments. And baby, we doing nails today, okay? A little trick that I do when I am curing my nails, I make sure that I cure them for an extended amount of time. So if it says 30 seconds, I'll cure for 60 seconds or more. I think that this is one of the most important parts. Here I'm adding a builder gel to my custom press-on nails. I add this to every set to ensure that they are strong and that they will not break or crack on me. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to drop another little bomb. I just wanted to make sure that you guys are taking a 180-100 grit nail file and making sure that you file that free edge. That really elevates the custom press-ons and make them look really good, because most press-ons come with like a little bit of the edge like not even. So y'all gotta make sure that y'all doing that, okay? Alright, this is very important to y'all. Make sure that you are taking some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and make sure that you are wiping off your nails when you are done. There is always a chance that there could be like little pieces of lint, little pieces of hair. I mean, they just jump up out of nowhere. So I always make sure that I take a lint-free wipe and also some alcohol and wipe the nails down before I decide to package them. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much to all of my older subscribers, and an even bigger thank you to all of my new subscribers. I recently got a lot of new subscribers here on this channel, and I just thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. And it's not always going to be easy, you know, in life when we want to do things and we want to accomplish stuff, but just don't give up. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I first started making custom press on nails, and I really didn't want to hear the feedback that people had to say. I thought people were being negative, but they just were trying to tell me like something that I needed to hear. But honestly, I had to learn things the hard way. I had to learn things on my own. I had to deal with trial and error. But now, a couple years in, I'm a lot better with my nails than I was before, and that means a lot to me. And you guys just being here on me with this journey, that also means a lot to me. So if you want to see more content like this, or you're interested in my journey of how I am going to go from Section 8 to success, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, because you know YouTube like when you be liking things. Look at me messing up right here. You know what I'm saying? Had to take this nail off and refile it. Okay? But, you know, that's part of the process. You know what I'm saying? Like one of my friends used to say, it's part of the plan. It's part of the plan. So, but I do want to say to like the new nail artists or whatever, like, don't be too hard on yourself, you know, when you're trying to learn like new techniques and everything like that, or your nails aren't coming out like the way you want to. Just keep at it. Keep practicing. You know, YouTube University is where I've learned how to do a lot of things. And of course, somebody would text my phone while I'm talking to bling. But you know what I'm saying? We don't get upset about crazy stuff like that. This YouTube thing, you know, it ain't hard. You know what I'm saying? It's life. You know what I'm saying? Period. But again, I just want to say thank you, because I don't think that I say thank you to you guys enough. And if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification, because you know YouTube like when you be liking stuff. So go ahead and like the video, like some of my other videos, you know what I'm saying? Check out some of my other content. And until the next video, I want you guys to stay positive and keep on loving on yourself and your family. All right, y'all.